What's up guys, how you all doing? Today me and Katherine, we're going to do what?
My Russian box.
Another one, part 2.
I'm excited because I'm hungry.
I'm excited because there's a whole bunch of stuff from Soviet Union. So let's open it up and see what's inside this time. By the way, this is a subscription box. If you would like to subscribe to it, just Google it, My Russian Box, I guess. They send it to us for free to check it out. Ooh.
I've seen these before.
You know what it is?
Yeah.
Bubliki! Bublik! This is a new Russian word you guys learn. Organic sushki. Sushki, I don't even know how to translate it. What would you call them in English?
I don't know. When I first saw them, I thought that they were pretzels and like pretzel-like at least. They're not at all like pretzels.
But the texture is like pretzel.
I don't think so. Because when I tried it, I was like, this is not what I expected at all.
So, but it is a very dry bread like this. And these ones are supposed to be with carrots.
Right.
Yeah, you see there's some
I was
carrots.
about to show you too. There's little pieces of carrots.
Yep.
It tastes good though.
It's hard to explain. It's one of a kind. It's like dried bread pretty much.
It's hard to chew on it though.
It's delicious. So if you want to get some of that, get My Russian Box. Or you might even want to go to like European store. You can get one of those in there as well.
Yeah, his family's always had these around.
Ooh, I see a lot more cool stuff.
Whoa, looks like Harry Potter.
What is that? Looks like a king.
Gingerbread.
Ooh, gingerbread. I'm about to eat some of that. This is a Russian dessert, my favorite. I was actually keep telling her how gingerbread in Russia is actually amazing. It's not just like you guys have.
I'm so excited right now.
Look at that.
Whoa.
Try.
Look
I've
at
been
the color.
always wanted to give her Russian gingerbread.
Oh my god.
It's like a cake.
And the icing is so good. Whoa. Oh my gosh, that's incredible. And it's because it came out of a wrapper in a box. It's even more surprising. That's so delicious.
There's walnuts in there too. I have a walnut. I should have got some coffee like you did.
You want some of mine?
Yeah. Wow.
I want to eat this whole thing.
Do it.
I can't. We're going to try on wedding dresses tomorrow.
I know, yeah. Okay. What does it say? Gin.
Genie?
Genie, yeah.
Genie.
That's how you spell in Russian, genie.
And you pronounce it gin?
Yeah, gin. So, same word but different. I wonder what that is. That's some
It
kind
has
of
a nut on it.
walnut stuff. I mean,
Actually, it looks like семечки.
no way.
Yeah, that looks like a семечки.
Wow, it is semechki. You wanna get some? Should I even open it?
It's gin семечки.
Gin semechki. Wow, I never seen a packaging like that. Upgraded. That's so cool. That's so funny. Usually it's babushkины semechki or something like that. But there you go. Russians love seeds. We go to a soccer games or football, whatever you wanna call them, and everybody eat semechki. And then there's a lot of mess after the game. But anyways, let's see.
At least it's biodegradable.
That's true, but let's whip it up.
Oh my gosh, you should try one. It tastes so different.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Is it?
Maybe it's because I still have cake in my mouth though.
Yeah.
It's so good.
Yeah, I love semechki. But yeah, I think it's because of the
What
cake.
is that?
I don't know.
It's chai.
How do you know it's chai?
Cause
Oh yeah,
it looks like chai and then it has a translation.
Oh, Ivan tea. Every little thing has actually a translation right here. That's cool. That's helpful. Now we know. This looks like a
Chai.
no
Cake.
cake.
Quart.
So it's some kind of cake. I honestly never had one of those
It
before.
has peaches on it.
Ooh, we're gonna eat desserts today.
This I prepared. I have coffee.
You know what? Next time, if they're gonna send us another one, I'm definitely getting me a cup of tea or coffee.
I will share. I have more.
Okay. Wow, look at that. It is cake inside of the plastic bag. Can you believe it? Wow. Wow. Ooh. That's so insane. Doesn't it look like cake? What do you think about Russian cakes?
Don't put your fingers all over it.
Here.
Okay, no, you can do it like the wedding. Like this.
Oh, let's do it.
Like this. Whoa, that's really, really, really sweet.
What it tastes like? It tastes a lot of sour. Yeah.
You know what it tastes like? If you get those organic fruit roll-ups from the health food store, it tastes just like that. That's really good.
It's good, but not my favorite. I don't like sour desserts, but it's still good. And this one is
sticky.
Different one.
That one's cherry and peach.
Should I even open it?
No, we'll save it.
We'll save it.
It'll stay good longer.
Smakwa. I like how they translate it. There's Russian letters and there's English translation. Same thing, but in English letters. So I guess it's just a title. Yeah, did you say it's like a food bar?
I said granola bar.
Granola bar, but yeah, it's a яблочная. So it
apple?
is apple, yeah.
Yeah, I speak some Russian.
Wow, look, there's two of them. What is that?
Okay, that's like the fruit roll-ups at the health food store.
No, wait, that's what you were talking about?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. That's good.
Tastes just like it. I love these actually.
Me too.
Is it healthy for you?
Delicious. I had seen that Maurice had something like that.
I'm so glad I got coffee. It goes so good with coffee.
What is that? Oh, it's a little teapot.
I won't fit my cup.
That's cool.
Okay, that's really cute.
Okay, and this looks like a big
Hopefully
box.
Hopefully there's a teacup that matches.
Oh wait, chocolate bar. Chocolate na меду. Chocolate with honey.
Cranberry.
But it says,
I
okay.
see.
It says honey and клюква, so cranberry. 70% cocoa.
Is it dark?
Yeah, gorky. It's milk.
Dark
it's a dark chocolate. Let's pop it open. Wow, the packaging is really interesting. Wow!
Whoa!
Wow! Let me just show you guys. I never even had that before.
It looks so good.
That's gotta be some kind of new chocolate because me growing up never had that kind before. Look at that, all that klukva. Cranberry, right?
Oh my gosh, it's so soft. So weird.
Wow.
Almost tastes like a dark chocolate brownie.
It is so dark. She likes dark chocolate way more. I kind of enjoy like milky chocolate.
I will chew on straight up like 90% cocoa, where it's just straight, but it's bitter.
I like sweet chocolate. But this is amazing. What do you think this is? Looks like a
Teapot.
Teapot.
Teacup.
I hope it's something from our Soviet Union like last time.
Vodka.
Wow, you knew.
Teacup! Yes!
Teacup, yep.
Oh, and more granola bars.
Yep. So cool, Russian teacup right here. So I guess this one is part of it. I guess, I don't know, you put like a honey in here or something like that. There you go, boom, beautiful. I love it.
How your family does?
What did they do?
With the tea bags and
yeah.
the tea bag, they use tea bag here.
Yeah, that's what it is, it's for tea bag. And this one right here, same thing, roll-ups with... How did you know that it's a plum?
It has a picture of a plum.
Oh, okay. Sливовая. And this one is яблочная. Okay, let's try out plum. Sливka.
I like this one more. I'll have it too.
I can't tolerate sour. I do not like sour as much. So I'd rather eat something sweet. What's my favorite thing is this right here, gingerbread.
I know, don't even let me see it, because I will eat the whole thing.
Wow. Russian box never disappoints. I love it.
Which one do you like more? I think it, you know, the last one had a bunch of small candies, right? I like this one more, because I like all the fruit.
But I did like the Soviet Union cup.
The cup, yeah.
It's just different.
We still use that cup all the time. Every day, actually.
Alright guys, that's pretty much it. My Russian box never disappoints.
Пока.
See you later.